normally take.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad K Sangma ulah penting ke kabinet jong ke Jelah kala ajeng Mynjur ban bu da ke QR code ban Buddien ye kimar ke beladi da ke Tnat Excise. Kani ke rukom tray betmai kan ayau QR code na ke bentak way po way ubilor ke ban pensuk ye ke sorkar ban Buddien ye ke jeng peniat ye kimar naduk ke jakabo syaduk kidukan. Kajeng wan rak ya kani ke teknologi lakmi lenti ban kentiu ya kajeng mi ya kajeng lumpisa ha ke jelada san na ke sispa hadu shipau na ke sispa. Ke kabinet kala menjuru bantung ya uba haimon lang nongplu IPS retired kumud khot non-judicial jong ke human rights commission but ya u lieutenant colonel u Sebastian Marbanyang retired na ke benta ke kam zila sainik welfare officer na ke benta sansnem.
QR code based tracking system for the different products being sold by the excise department, which basically in simple terms will be sold in Meghalaya, is going to have a QR code system, and we are expecting that this will have anything between 5% to 10% of impact on the overall revenue.